you'd like to suggest topics for future shows,
Go ahead.
drop us a line at sciencechannel.com/how it's made.
That good lemon, Dylan?
Is a town that really shouldn't be famous, but it is.
What's a bigger story than proof of aliens and that we're not alone in the universe and have been visited and the government covered it up?
Most of us know it as that nutty place where, they say, a UFO crashed. Beings have come here from elsewhere. But what sounds crazy might not be that crazy.
I suspect that somewhere somebody knows the truth.
Whether aliens exist or not, one thing is for certain. People love this stuff. Star Trek, Star Wars. Go to the movie theater. UFO believers feel that this is the biggest story of all time. And they may just be right.
Okay, kid, that's enough, man. He's probably...
Oh, buddy. Little shivers, don't we?
In July 1947,
No.
ranches to the 509th Bomb Squadron, which was the most elite military group in the world. They just bombed on Japan.
Wait, take a while then.
America won the war.
Okay,
Just when it
that's
seemed
enough.
like life was getting back to normal, a strange thing happened. Something large and silver
Can't stop.
and plowed into the desert.
Well, I can smell it.